The MLAT lab, the Machine Learning and Assistive Technology lab, was a lab that we founded back in January of 2015. And really, this was a response to the fact that even though I'm a machine learning researcher and have worked in many different areas applying machine learning, I really have been spending the last couple of years focusing on autism spectrum disorder. So really, when we founded MLAT, the goal was to be able to take technologies, take big data, partner up with folks in the medical community, and just think about how we can take advantage of all this data that's being collected to inform treatment and make lives better. The first major undertaking in the MLAT lab was building AMP, which is the autism management platform. So we built AMP to come up with sort of a digital solution to allow caregiver networks for kids on the autism spectrum to share information. So it was really about breaking down walls and having more people benefit from data. In my lab, we like to do a fair bit of deep learning. Deep learning is basically just taking an artificial neural network and trying to extract high-order patterns in data, and it can be used for a lot of things. Probably one of the most innovative applications of it is we've been using it to look at images and video of kids on the spectrum and their interactions and being able to predict whether or not the children are exhibiting typical telltales of autism spectrum disorder. My students get excited when we get a paper published and then get a comment back from a reader that said, "This is amazing, it's going to change the way that I deliver therapy in my clinical sessions." That's hugely satisfying for me, and I know it is for them as well. Many fields that maybe 10 years ago we didn't think of as being a heavily data-driven field, they're strongly data-driven fields now. I think the exciting thing about working with data today is between the internet, between social media, between smartphones, we're producing a huge variety of data. Inevitably, whatever our students want to do, they're probably going to find themselves in a position where they need to look at a decent amount of data and make some intelligent conclusions from it. For a lot of us, when we're off and we're working in our jobs, we're doing science not just in a scientific context, but a business context, and we have to make a smart business decision as well as a sound scientific decision. So I think the fact that Chapman really goes to great lengths to place students in internships and co-ops that are going to prepare our students for not just the first job or the first couple of jobs, but for a career that maybe spans 30 or 40 years. That's phenomenal.